Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore cost of goods sold using QuickBooks best practices detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore the cost of goods sold in QuickBooks, begin by opening your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the Reports section in the left-hand menu. Select Accounting and then choose Profit and Loss. This will provide a comprehensive overview of your financial health. Next, click on the Customize button at the top right of the report screen. In the customization options, select the date range for the report. Ensure you include relevant categories, focusing on cost of goods sold. Click Run Report to refresh the data. Once the report is generated, review the cost of goods sold entries carefully. If discrepancies appear, take note of specific items that require correction. Return to the main dashboard and navigate to the List menu. Select Item List to find the inventory items linked to your cost of goods sold. Click on an individual item to view its details. Review the cost field to ensure accuracy. If incorrect, modify it to reflect the true cost of the item. Repeat this process for all relevant inventory items. After updating, return to the Reports section. Run the Profit and Loss report again to ensure all calculations are correct. If further adjustments are necessary, consider reviewing vendor bills related to inventory purchases. Make sure that all vendor bills accurately reflect the amounts paid. Revisit your inventory adjustment entries if any additional corrections are needed. Document any changes you make for future reference. Consider consulting with a QuickBooks professional if complications arise. After completing all adjustments, monitor your reports regularly. This will help maintain accurate financial records moving forward. By following these best practices, you can effectively restore your cost of goods sold in QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.